Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Suvai. Today I am going to prepare chutney powder with this bitter gourd. For that I have taken one bitter gourd, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoon desiccated coconut. According to the spice requirement, you can add chili powder, little bit of black pepper powder and asafoetida and salt you need. We will roast all these ingredients separately with little oil and grate the bitter gourd, add little salt and keep it aside for some time and squeeze out the water coming out of it, and that also you have to roast it. A teaspoon of oil. We'll put the coriander seeds in it. Roast the same. Till aroma comes out of it. I have removed this. Now roast the chana dal. When it is half done, you can add the urad dal in it. This has started changing the color. Now we will add the desiccated coconut in it. Fry it for a few seconds. Now switch off the gas. Add the coriander leaves in it, the chili powder, asafoetida, and the black pepper powder. Mix well. Curry leaves. Mix well and transfer to a plate. Do not keep it in the same pan. We'll squeeze out the extra water from this. After putting salt in this, I had kept it for around 10 minutes. Now for diabetes people, this juice can be consumed. Do not throw it. Dilute it and drink it. Non-stick pan is ready here. We'll put a piece of tamarind in this. We'll fry that also. We will add the bitter gourd in it. We will fry them till it is crisp. See, it has started changing its color. It is becoming brown in color, and you can also see some green pieces in it, because these pieces are slightly bigger. Because while grating it, you should remove all those things. Otherwise, actually, the bitter gourd was 3-4 days old in the fridge. As soon as you bring the bitter gourd, you should grate it and do it, because it will be very firm and you will be able to grate it properly. So this had become slightly tender. That's why I couldn't grate it properly. Because of that, you can see this green pieces in it, and I'll be consuming it very fast, so there is no worry about it. If you are keeping it for 15 to 20 days, you keep it in the fridge, otherwise it is likely to get spoiled because of the moisture in it. And as far as possible, bring fresh bitter gourd and do it on the same day itself, so that this problem can be avoided, or you remove the big pieces from it. Now it's almost done. It took around 15 minutes for me to roast this on very low flame. Now I'll switch off the gas, otherwise it will become burnt. That taste will come. I have put the coriander, urad dal, chana dal mix in the mixer pot. Now we'll grind this first, then afterwards we'll add the bitter gourd pieces. I have ground coarsely. Now we'll add the bitter gourd pieces. Bitter gourd pieces are added, salt also. Now we'll just give a pulse to it. The bitter gourd chutney powder is ready here. This you can serve it along with dosa, idli, upma, and rice also. You have to add a little bit of oil in it, or you can add a little bit of curd and mix it and can serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.